Alright, so I am now just wandering around as per usual because I got turned down about, I don't know, a lot of times because I have 3 dogs. There's so many new houses here, so many new apartments that are just vacant right now, and I'm freezing my ass off because I have no diesel heater because it broke. It's just, it sucks. It really sucks right now, and I'm pissed off about it. I'm living with these 3 idiots. They run at birds. I can't take any pictures. I don't know, my sleeping bag is wet. I gotta go to like a dry cleaner and but the whole tent is wet up there. Everybody turned me down not because of 1 dog, not because 2, but 3. Meanwhile, Hilda Frieda are like 1 dog, really, if you ask me. And I'm waiting for all these responses, and everyone, it's a weekend, so no one responds, right? Oh man, it's a hard go. But there's a lot of birds over here, so I'm having fun with that. And the dogs are just sitting in the truck today. Yeah, so I went to a hotel, right? And I go to the hotel, I'm like, yeah, I got like a code, a discount code it was, from a lady at a restaurant. Nice lady helped me. Because she saw that I can't afford to stay at hotels every night, right? So I go to do the thing, and like I have a stupid flip phone, right? And I have no internet. So this is how dependent our society is on like cell phones and the internet nowadays. I'm like, yeah, so I have this code. Can I use the code and like get a cheap room tonight? She's like, yeah, but you have to do it online. I'm like, oh, fuck. So then I'm like, all right, well, fuck this, right? Where's a cheaper hotel? Like, I need to go have a shower, man. I am dirty. And she's like, oh, here's one here. I'm all right, fine. I drive over to the hotel. I'm like, yes, I'm going to have a shower. Nice. I go into the hotel. There's nobody there. It's like a internet hotel. So I have to have the internet. And then I got to friggin', log in somehow. So I got to go to a Tim Hortons now and find the Wi-Fi, log in, sign up for that place, hope they accept dogs, right? And then, yeah, so I would just camp again, really. It's just, the whole tent is soaked, and I mean, it's going to be colder tonight, I think. It's January, fuck it. And it's warm right now. Like, during the day it's warm, but at night it drops to like -5, probably. It's not bad, but when, okay, this is crazy. There is, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side of the tree. Maybe 5, yeah, 5, looks like, maybe not, I don't know. 6, 7, 8, 9. I've never seen so many herons. Holy crap, ever. my God, what is wrong with you two? He's fishing. He is like, this is the furthest he's ever swum. Swam? Swum. Swam? This is the furthest he's ever swam. Oh no. That was a bad throw. So I've kind of noticed what happens here with Frida. She'll get the roundest one. See? I noticed like the other day, I'm like, wait a minute. So she gets the roundest one and then she's just trying to like pass it back and forth. But here I am again, wandering around. Still can't find a place. Probably won't be able to at this rate. I don't know. Everyone wants to live here, right? And then in BC you can just be like, oh, you have dogs? No, I'm not. I don't want you here. And you can just do that. And it's okay, I guess. It's like a law or something. Maybe I looked it up. I don't know. That's what the internet says. So, yeah, this is me doing this, and that's what I'll be doing until I can't. I'm gonna go as hard as I can until I can't. And it's looking like